You searched how to buy shares of Horizon Space Acquisition 1. It is a special-purpose acquisition company focused on aerospace and space technology, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HSPOF. This video is educational only and not financial advice. Investing carries risk. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically need to verify your identity with a government ID and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HSPOF to find the correct listing. Confirm the result shows Horizon Space Acquisition I before opening the asset page. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and the HSPOF ticker to ensure this is the right stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.